This is a home robot on sale in China. It folds your laundry, it picks up your deliveries, it washes dishes, cleans the toilet, and operates the washing machine. Starting price roughly $4,000. It's called the L1, built by a Chinese company named Future Dynamics. The design copies the human body, shoulder, elbow, wrist, at a 1-to-1 ratio. You wake it up by saying in Chinese, 小黑小黑, come here for a second. It rolls through your apartment on wheels and learns as you use it. And here's the part sparking debate across Chinese social media. At this price, people are asking a new question. Do you hire a housekeeper or do you buy a robot? I will take you on a tour of Shenzhen's AI hardware products and supply chain. If you are interested, just message me to get more info.